Welcome to Doing Our Bit. Today in our cost of living crisis series, I'm looking at how I've saved money on my energy bill using the Tado Smart Thermostat. There are a number of really good channels that I follow, and I'll put links below so you can look at other ways of saving money. You can control the thermostat directly, but the best way is via the phone app. You and your partner do need a smartphone to use this system for geofencing, which I will show later, but you can see here the temperature is 17.1 and is currently set to 17 degrees, so that the boiler will be off. Going into the tile, you can change the set temperature by simply sliding the control either up or down, and clicking here shows how the day in my case has been set up over 24 hours. Easy to add and remove blocks and have different settings per day, but mine is the same all week. Clicking here allows you to adjust the minimum temperature while you're away from the house and set the preheat settings linked to geofencing I'll show later. As you can see, mine's set to eco. Clicking here shows exactly what the boiler has been doing, showing when it was on, the outside weather temperature at the time, and the effect on house temperature over the time blocks, achieving the temperatures you have set up. You can go back to a specific day, here Monday the 2nd of January, if you need to check out what happened that day, and then go to your smart meter app, here Octopus Energy, and see the gas readings over the day in 30-minute slots. Really useful if you want to see why you use more energy on a specific day. Data is power, and you can see the level of control this all provides. The icing on the cake is geofencing. Using the location of our phones, the system knows when we are at home or away. It therefore automatically switches to the away settings when we are out to minimize energy use, while ensuring the house doesn't get damp over the winter months. And as we start our journeys home, it also automatically fires up the boiler for us if needed, so when we arrive back we don't come home to a cold house. Therefore there is no need to switch the heating off, as everything is controlled by the thermostat with a minimum of fuss or effort, and consequently I never do, while enjoying an energy saving on average of around 20%. Hope you found this short video useful, and if so, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.